Hello my fly babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today I'm going to talk about clutter checks one more time. Don't forget that every day, even though I don't mention it, 3 clutter checks are required. 3 clutter checks a day. That means you're checking to make sure that you aren't recluttering or that your family isn't recluttering mindlessly. This is not something on purpose. They're not on purpose bombing the house. It's just clutter that happens, especially if there's a lot of bad habits. So the area that you just decluttered is the most vulnerable because that was a bad habit of laying things on the countertop or shoving things in the cabinets or misplacing things on the shelf in the pantry so that you can't find it, or not closing the cereal up. All those things are cluttery. So give it a look every day, 3 times a day, but also look where your kids play, where you go in your bedroom or bathroom that's been cluttered before, and make sure, just a quick eyeball, that there's no clutter. If there is, no one's in trouble. These are mindless things. We're just retraining yourself and your children. Please don't talk harshly to yourself, just like you wouldn't talk harshly to your children. Okay, so after we've done that, let's talk about getting up in the morning, doing our morning routine. We're going to get up before the kids, yes we are, and do our morning routine. After we've done that, and if you put off your bath or shower till the morning, it's going to take you a lot longer. You're going to have to get up a lot earlier. I'm going to suggest that you take your bath or shower at night. First of all, you'll be relaxed and you'll sleep better. Secondly, you'll have more time in the morning. Now, if you have short or long hair and you've slept on it and it looks awful, heat is what styles hair, not water. Now, if you have oily hair and you have to wash it because you're super oily, you just have to. But I'm just saying, for most of us, please take your bath or shower at night. It'll make a huge difference in the morning. Get up, get out of bed, brush your hair, put on your makeup. You know, you've got your skincare going on in there. You're washing your face, you're brushing your teeth, you're cleaning the sink, you're cleaning the toilet. These are not hard things. Don't tease yourself. Don't lie to yourself. These things don't even take a minute. They're less than a minute to do each of these things. Makeup routine, if you're just doing a really simple French makeup routine, the French makeup routine is a little foundation, a little blush, a little lipstick, possibly powder, a little mascara. If you don't have eyebrows, get some eyebrows. That's it. It's not a big, gigantic thing, and you'll look presentable, I promise. I'm doing that every day. That's what I do. Now, if I have something special to do, I will do more. You know, I know how to contour my face. I know how to line my lips and my eyes and put 3 shadows on or more. I was a Mary Kay lady. I know all the things to do with the makeup. We've had all kind of professionals teach us how to do those things. But you know what? In general, this is fine. And this is what I did for work as well. And I was a professional. I had 40 people that I managed. You don't have to put on hours worth of makeup in the morning. You don't have to do a hairdo that is so difficult. You know, it can't be that hard. It doesn't have to be that hard. See your hairdresser. See what you can do to make it a little easier on yourself and still look pretty and feel good about yourself. Okay, sorry about the rant. All right, so get up in the morning, do your morning routine, 20-30 minutes. Then put your children through their routine, another 30 minutes. The night before, you've done your before bed routine, so their book bags, backpacks, shoes, projects, lunches are all ready. Lunches in the fridge, everything else by the front door. Okay, so when they get ready and lay out their clothes the night before, or have them do it. So in the morning, it's quick and easy for them, just like it's quick and easy for you, okay? All right, so we got morning routines. After the morning routine, the kids are going to school. If you're staying home, you're gonna go right into your basic weekly plan. On Thursday, it's errands. Well, in that case, let's stay home for a bit and do our zone. So we're gonna work in the kitchen for 15 minutes maximum if it's decluttering, and then continue the process by completing the process by putting away, throwing away, and giving away, putting the giveaway in the back of the car. Today is the day that you're gonna drop those things off at the giveaway place. And then you can go do your errands. So if you don't have to declutter, then you're just gonna do 10 minutes or less of one little tiny cleaning thing in the kitchen that keeps it spring clean all the time. Now you're going to jump in the car and you're going to get your list that you made. You know what your budget is. You've got your cash with you. If you are really bad with a debit card or credit card and you go over, then you make sure you bring cash, and your goal is to spend $1 less than you planned for. You can do it. You're smart. Think what you're doing. Think what you're doing. Think. You can do it. Pay attention. Be mindful. Okay. And it's not hard. Enjoy it. Enjoy the process. Enjoy the smells, the feels, the colors, the textures, all the pretty things, the way they've laid it out. Just don't be sucked into those end cap purchases, okay? You know what that is? The end cap is the end of the aisle. Be careful. All right, so you do your errands. You've dropped your things off at Goodwill or whatever you're going to drop it off at. You've gone to the library and dropped off books. You've picked up something you forgot you had at the dry cleaner, and you've gotten your groceries. Come home and put those away. Maybe you need to prep fruits and vegetables. That's fine. Maybe you need to start your supper. That's fine. You can do that. It's easy supper on this day, okay? And then after that, we're going to do our after dinner routine with the children after you got dinner. If you're working, now here's what you're going to do. Stop right there at home. So let me get to the payrolls. So if you're working, you're going to do the same thing, the morning routines with the kids and yourself. Then you're going to go to work. You're going to delegate a weekly home blessing hour thing to the kids when they get home, if they get home. You're going to get home yourself, and you're going to do your clutter checks like I just talked about. You're going to inspect what you expect for the jobs that kids can do without your direct supervision. You're going to remember that the kids have the option of choosing not to do it and choosing a consequence instead. They don't get to choose the consequence. That's predetermined by you in advance, and they know what it is, okay? So they have that option though, and if they don't do something, then you have to do it, but they also have to pay the price. Okay, next, you're going to do dinner, you're going to put in laundry, you're going through an inch of paper, you're going to work in your kitchen a little bit, okay? Then after dinner, we are going to do the after dinner routine, and then after that, the before bed routines, and that's it. All right, I hope you have a fabulous Thursday. Always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.